This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are in Chengdao, getting ready for a Sunday drive with this. It's 2019 MG ZS EV. It has around 11 or 12% degradation. So we have only 37 kilowatt hour out of 42-ish left. So I just want to know, with this 6-year-old car, how much range can we get when we drive like an old man? Well, let's find out. And I have already driven 2.7 kilometers. I started from home, but it was a bit dark in front of the house and the kids are asleep. So yeah, we start 10:30 at night. This screen here is actually incorrect. It claims 44.1 kilowatt hour, but that's based on the new battery. So it's kind of silly. It looks at the state of charge and then it multiplies about what the battery was when it was new. So don't trust this. You need to trust what this display claims. So okay, we'll see. I will drive probably around 250 kilometers, maybe up to 300. I don't know yet. That's what we're going to find out. I have no idea what the outside temperature is, but it seems to be around 20 degrees Celsius, not that cold. Anyway, let's go. We have passed Chiang Mai, now we're heading south towards Nampoon, and so far we have done 83 kilometers, 139 watt-hour per kilometer. Well, it's not the most efficient car out there, unfortunately. So we're down to 72%. So yeah, not sure how far we can drive. At least 250 kilometers, right? So I'm going at 80 kilometers per hour on the speedo. That's 77 GPS speed. Yeah, it's roughly on par with the other test, but now it's not that hot outside. At least this thing here is just based on weather forecast, 20 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that sounds plausible. But because it's kind of cold outside, then we can actually have HVAC off. So well, we save a bit of energy there, but we then get slightly more drag at night now, versus if it was 25 or 30 degrees outside. We are now done with the test. I'm charging up, but ooh, look at this. We're getting 143 amp, 401 volt. Yeah, the pack voltage is nice and high, and I just realized that this car can go higher than 50 kilowatt. Wait, was it always like this? I'm taking, wait, is it? I'm taking 57 kilowatt. Damn! I thought around 49, 50 kilowatt was max. Huh? Dude, I need to camp on 100 and, I don't know, 150 amp or something chargers, not just the 125 amp chargers. But in this test, I drove 256 kilometers, averaging 138 watt-hour per kilometer, and I ended up with 6%. And I estimate that we could go 272 kilometers. So, wow, that is actually pretty good. You know, for a 6-year-old car that has done 75k kilometers with 12% degradation, it can still manage to drive pretty far, and the charging speed is actually quite good also. Amazing. So yeah, it's actually better than the e-Golf I have back in Norway. That car has roughly half the net capacity, actually less than that, and then on a good day it can probably go around, I don't know, 100, a little bit over 100 kilometers. So you know, compared to the newer cars I've been testing in Sunday drive, I can go around 500 kilometers. This car can go only half of that, but it also costs less than half of that. So in that regard, it's actually pretty good. Yeah. But the test kinda is over, but the trip is definitely not over because I'm gonna go all the way to Bangkok tonight, or actually more like tomorrow morning. So now I just need to charge, go to the restroom, and then proceed further south.